Tursus has a plan to make Goa net zero over 2024. We solarize, hybridize. But wait, we need your help. Join the revolution. Give a missed call on 8286938286.
That the main structure which was constructed by that Kandahari is concerned, that structure is completely demolished now. That party is supposed to file a compliance report by 19th, and his lawyer told the court that they will file a compliance report by 19th. His statement that they have demolished the entire structure was accepted by the court, and then a compliance report will be filed by 19th. He said that there are some debris which are lying there that will be removed. As far as the structures of the ex-Sarpanch are concerned, he also filed a compliance report today to say that 10 temporary structures which he had illegally constructed have been removed, and it has been checked also by us and it is found to be removed. The rest of the structures are concerned, the Panchayat has filed some affidavit saying that what action they have taken. Panchayat has issued some show cause notices, etc. That the matter is kept now on this count as to Panchayat should disclose to the court as to what further steps they have taken.